Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, fail to connect to server with there your game client is out of date, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So this problem can occur due to a variety of issues, so I'll show you 2 to 3 solutions of how you can fix it. So the first solution is very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to close out Hytale. After that you're going to restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to run Hytale, but make sure to run the launcher and the game as administrator. So right click on Hytale's launcher, click run as administrator, and then click yes. After that, if there's an update, Hytale will update like this. And once it's done with the update, now when you try to connect to your server, you'll see that it will connect. But if that doesn't work for you, then the next thing you can do is you can open up the Hytale launcher and you can verify your game's files. So you're going to click onto this settings button at the top left corner of the page, and then you're going to click onto uninstall. Once you click onto uninstall, there will be a button which will say validate. So you're going to click on it and it will validate your Hytale's game's files. And once it's done with that, now when you try to play Hytale, you'll see that your game will now work. If that still doesn't work for you, then you can try to reinstall Hytale. So just click onto the settings button again and click on uninstall and then uninstall your game. Once it's done uninstalling, now you're going to reinstall Hytale on your computer, but make sure to run the installer as administrator. So you're going to open up your start menu. For example, you're going to right click on the Hytale's installer, click run as administrator, and then run the installer as administrator and then reinstall the game on your computer. You can also try to install it in a different location. And once you're done with that, now when you try to connect to any server, you'll see that it will work. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.